Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
Look, it's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pole up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. If we boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, you...
Whoa! What do you think it's you, May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. Oh, shit! Ah! What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right
Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running.
What the?
Come and get me!
俾乜你啊死橙！
嫌命長啊你！ 都唔死嘅。呢條撚樣好嘢喎！
There's more of them!
佢哋殺叔㗎，睇住！兄弟，
你唔係諗住你搞得掂啊？
捅佢！捅佢啊 ！How you like that, huh? How you like that? 知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？先踢先啊！
Come and get me!
有手！
飛俾你啊死賊！
嚟啦，柒頭！
屌佢啊！
Come and get me!
叫媽媽走啦！知咩叫眼前黑啊？撳啊！飛俾你啊死賊！等我話你知咩叫眼前黑啊！
你邊個？爆光！收貨！ Oh yeah, get him! Get him! That's right!
知唔知個死字點寫啊？哇！嚇撚死我啊！你咁好大鑊啊！
喂，屌鳩啊！打極都唔死嘅。呢條撚樣好嘢喎！兄弟，好撚嘢
There's more of them!
頂佢啊！做低佢啦！
你死硬啊！
打到佢殘廢！
How you like that, huh? How you like that?
你老母啊！打柒你咯！
我自己都驚啊！兄弟，上！
Wait, you are hardcore. You beat those guys like it was nothing. Watch, you should be in the warehouse, man. Shit, we're taking off with the goods. Go, 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 man. did it! Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
Let's go, Jackie. Hurry it up.
Wait! We got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's Raiden Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive! Wait, drive! Oh shit!
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. Those cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole. We're not there. What are you doing, man?
He's a piece of shit. Don't be afraid of him.
Man, wait, you just got back. Get to know who's who before you start talking about bosses that way.
Listen, Jack, comes a time you gotta stand up to guys like that no matter who's backing them. What caused the bad blood?
Don't know. They used to be tight, though. Hard to believe Dog Eyes would turn on a friend like that.
He always was a shit.
So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man. I got it under control. So no la.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait. You did good out there. Here. Take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time.
My man Wei, you done good. You restored order to the night market.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see.
你爛菌以為我一轉頭你就可以停手啊？啊！
You know anything about the minibus racket?
Well, same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, you pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog Eyes will. Right now it's his route. But you know how to deal with it, huh?
It'll be my fucking pleasure.
I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up. Jesus fucking Christ.
Let's go.
What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of Little Blood?
Dog Eyes' Son on Yi. We're taking the route, not declaring war.
Ganass is fine by me.
Wait, what the fuck are you doing?
I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass.
Who are you? Get out of here!
喂，我諗緊 how come we're going after Dog Eyes? Shouldn't we be fighting 18K?
Dog Guy came after us? This is payback. Plain and simple.
What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile Lee? What if he sends Mr. Tong after us?
Whoa!
Look, dude. Dog Eyes might work for Lee, but Winston answers direct to Uncle Paul. Nobody's going to fuck with the champion. Nobody.
Hey, you haven't paid. You stop with bitches.
This is our stop now.
哎呀，點啊？
嫌命長啊你！
Yeah, fuckers. Show them, guy.
Alright, you good with your fist. I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone, see? So now we know how to spot a rat.
You talk about it. You know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right? When Tong is done with them, he buries them alive, 6 feet under. Nobody coming for you.
Hey, fuck you, Conroy.
I still think about that poor fucker sometimes.
Let's go.
No, you stay here. I'll deal with this. Watch how a real man does it.
Son of a bitch.
Wait, you better get them.
Hey, you. You want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid, Dog Eyes.
Belongs to Winston now.
Winston? I don't know no Winston.
Pull over and I'll tell you about it.
You're wasting my time.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you. I finished my run before you finished picking your nose. Winston must be recruiting dumbass peasants from across the border. You never seen a car? Go back to your mule before you get hurt.
You gonna do comedy from your hospital bed, pal?
Everybody laugh, but you Walter Street boys. You mess with me and Dog Eyes, it's going to cut you into little pieces. You going to... Okay, I'm going.
Get out of here. I'm taking your passengers.
Okay.
乜你估發生咩事啊嗱？
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change. Don't worry, people. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
我好忙㗎，你知唔知收一收我冇咗幾多錢啊？ 你老味！
要做乜嘢啊？
你冇機會啊
You can't drive this one. Who the hell are these guys?
Let me off! I don't want to be a
Stay connected.
statistic.
Don't worry.
唔係有咩事啊嘛？唔好嚇我啊！ real bus driver never drives like this.
Buddy, don't kill us, please!
Here we are, people.
This was probably the most exciting thing that happened all week. You're not driving the Sim Sang Shui route, are you?